You see this business, it will make you a millionaire if you take it very, very seriously. This low budget printing business is not only a low investment business, but also a very simple and easy one to start. Even an illiterate can do this business. You do not need much to set it up. You absolutely do not need to rent a shop to run it. From a corner in your room, you can start this. This business is called the logo stamp business. It is an optional business for those interested in the printing business but cannot afford few small machines to start an automated and digital printing business. The logo stamp business is slowly becoming a big niche in the printing sector because small business owners are hugely demanding for it, as it saves them a lot of money compared to what they spend at the digital press. It gives them full control of their branding because the logo kit is theirs and they get to brand their packages by themselves. And lastly, it gives them that simple, cute and minimal feeling on their brandings. One thing I want to be doing for you, my YouTube family, is to only bring you realistic and achievable business ideas, because I want you to also do something and make money from it. And that is why you must be subscribed to this channel. Always stay notified so you do not miss out on good videos that I post here. So like I said, for you to start this business, you do not need so much investment. The only money you will be spending for this business setup is the small money you will use to make your sample stamp, just like you see me with mine in this video. That sample stamp is what you will use to create your first content, do your brand awareness, and if possible, run your ads to reach a broader audience. In order to create these stamps, you can partner with any printer that can do this perfectly for you. So let's assume the printer said they only handle the wax graving. For the woodwork, especially for the bigger stamps, a good carpenter that is very eager to make money can take on the contract. But then again, you can as well find many wooden stamp specialists in marketplaces and some corners of some streets. These men do not usually have fancy shops. Most times, you could even see them in kiosks. And please, when you find that man that actually know how to do these stamps, please pay him well and keep him, because his type aren't so easy to find. Do you also know that you can also learn this stamp making as a skill on its own and make so much money from it? Oh well, that is a video for another time when I get the correct information with a proper research on that. But for now, let us concentrate on partnering with those that are already doing it. The logo stamp business is a business that anyone can do. This business is for you, whether you're a student, a stay-at-home mom or dad, graduate, undergraduate, retirees, even those in 9 to 5 looking for side hustle. You can also do this business and make good money from it. This business is slowly taking over and more people are going into it. So I think it will be a wise thing for you to also take advantage of this now before it gets saturated. One advice for you: as you start this business, please keep it simple. Do not do it in a way that will overwhelm you. But as you grow, make sure that you create structures for longevity and brand loyalty. So let me know in the comment section if you would like to do this business. See you in my next video. Bye.